Hello everyone, my name is Man Patel and today I am going to solve LeetCode question number 1342, number of steps to reduce a number to 0. Here, we are given an integer num. We have to return the number of steps to reduce it to a 0. In one step, if the current number is even, we have to divide it by 2. Otherwise the number is odd, then we have to subtract 1 from it. So let's understand the question by example here. Here we are given an input num 14. We have to return output 6. So how will our return output 6? Here this is explanation also. We have to count the steps to reduce this 14 number to 0. So in first step 14 is first of all even number. So we will divide it by 2 and we will get 7. In step 2 7 is odd number, we will subtract 1 from it and we will get 6. Step 3, 6 is even number, we will divide by 2 and obtain 3. Fourth step, 3 is odd number, subtract 1 and we will obtain 2. Step 5th, 2 is even, we will divide by 2, we will get 1. Step 6, the last step, 1 is odd, we will subtract 1 from it and we will obtain 0. So the there are total 6 steps required to reduce the number 14 to 0. Same here in example 2 also, you can see that if we are given the input 8, we will have to return output 4 because 8 is even number. In step 1, 8 is even number, we will divide by 2 and obtain 4. Step 2, 4 is even number, we will divide by 2 and obtain 2. Step 3, 2 is even, divide by 2 and obtain 1. Step 4, 1 is odd, subtract 1 from it and obtain 0. The simple same thing example 3 also. In 123 we need total 12 steps to reduce it to 0. So this is the simple question. Now I am going to write this code in C++ language. So here I am going to declare a variable named steps to store total steps. Now I am running a while loop which run until num becomes 0. So num greater than 0. Here I am writing a if condition which will take a number, which will check the number is even or not. So if num divisible by 2, I will simply divide it. I will if the number is even, we will divide that number by 2 and we will increment the steps. And in else the odd number will come, and if odd then we will subtract it by 1. And here also I will increment the steps. After the while loop gets over, I will simply return steps. So this is the code. Now let's run the code. As you can see, the test cases that are given us is successfully passed. So now let's add another test case. I'm going to write here 30. So let's run the code again. As you can see, the test cases that I have added is all successfully passed. So now let's submit the code. So here the code is successfully submitted and the runtime of this code is 0 ms. Thank you everyone.